Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Sunloan, a company offering financial services at www.sunloan.com. While I haven't personally used their services, researching their website provides some insights into what they offer. Their online presence suggests they specialize in installment loans, a type of loan that is repaid over a fixed period with regular payments. This can be a helpful option for those who need to borrow a larger amount and prefer a structured repayment plan. The website highlights the speed and convenience of their application process, implying that obtaining a loan through Sunloan can be a relatively quick and straightforward experience. However, as with any financial commitment, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. Details like interest rates, repayment schedules, and any associated fees should be carefully considered. Sunloan's website offers resources and contact information for potential borrowers to inquire about these details. It's always recommended to compare offers from different lenders and choose the option that best aligns with your individual financial situation and needs. Remember, responsible borrowing involves careful planning and a full understanding of the agreement. Be sure to explore all available resources and ask questions to ensure you make an informed decision. Further investigation into Sunloan's specific offerings in your area might involve checking online reviews and ratings from other customers. Understanding their experiences can give you a more complete picture of the company's services and customer satisfaction levels. Before committing to any loan, it's also wise to consider alternatives such as borrowing from family or friends, using savings, or negotiating payment plans directly with creditors. These options might offer more favorable terms and help you avoid accumulating debt. It's important to remember that borrowing money always comes with responsibilities, and careful financial planning is essential for long-term financial well-being. Visiting Sunloan's website at www.sunloan.com can provide you with more specific information about their services, eligibility requirements, and contact details. Make sure to thoroughly research and compare different loan options before making a decision. Financial decisions should be made with careful consideration and a full understanding of the implications. Always prioritize responsible borrowing practices to maintain a healthy financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for those helpful links.